Hello, I'm Hamza, and this is my little brother Shane. We're gonna make a volcano. The supplies you need is a big bowl, food coloring, Alka-Seltzer tablets, a spoon, a bottle, and soap. First, you put hot water in the bottle. Now, you add food coloring. Red would be more useful because lava is red, but you could do any kind of color. You have to do 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now you mix it. You have to do it for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now you just put a little bit of soap, like this. Okay. Now you put the bottle in the bowl. Okay. You could put 2 Alka-Seltzer tablets, but you could do 1. 1 is good, but 2 is more like a volcano. Okay, come on. Here. And we're gonna put it in the bottle, and see what happens. 1, 2. See, the soap is rising. And you can see how it's coming.
See how it's like a volcano that's going down? It's more soap than one Alka-Seltzer tablet.
You have to wait a couple of minutes so it can, end.
See how it's happening, how there's more soap going down? More than 1 tablet is more better.
And that's how you make a volcano.